Are you tired of sending emails where everyone can see each other's addresses? Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to keep your recipients private using BCC in Gmail. BCC, or Blind Carbon Copy, lets you send an email to multiple people without revealing their addresses to each other. It's perfect for newsletters, invitations, or any email where privacy matters. Here's how it works. On your computer, start by composing a new email. You'll see the usual To field. Right next to it is a small button labeled BCC. Click it, and a new field will appear. This is where you can add all the email addresses you want to keep hidden. Once you've added your recipients, finish writing your message and hit send. Everyone on the BCC list will get your email, but none of them will see who else received it. If you're using the Gmail mobile app, it's just as easy. Tap the down arrow next to the To field, select Add BCC, and type in your hidden recipients. Then compose your email as usual and send it off. Using BCC not only protects your recipient's privacy, but also keeps your emails looking clean and professional. Next time you send a group email, try BCC and see how effortless it is. And that's it. A quick, easy way to use BCC in Gmail to send emails securely and privately.